Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove two 8mm screws and two 4mm screws, and loosen the two captive screws in the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest, and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Remove 6 4mm screws from the battery. Gently lift up to unplug the battery from the motherboard and remove it. Flip the device back over and open it up. And gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover. Slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. There might be adhesive underneath, so take your time and try to avoid using too much force. Remove 4 2mm screws from the LCD panel. Lift the panel up and lay it down. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Plug the LCD cable into the new panel and replace the tape. Lay the LCD panel back into place. And replace the 4 2mm screws. Replace the bezel and push down to snap it back into place. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. And replace the 6 4mm screws. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 8mm screws and the two 4mm screws, and tighten the two captive screws in the bottom cover.